Another day in Mumbai. We are gonna meet my friend that works with me on board the ship where we do the expedition cruises around Iceland. His name is Benji and he's gonna show me around. So very much looking forward to it and yeah, let's go. So here are my friends, Benji and Kit, and they're gonna take us around Mumbai today.
To Worli.
To Worli. All right.
That's right.
Let's go. Hey! Like Benji said, we are in the neighborhood of Worli and the streets are very narrow here,
Yeah,
but it's
very narrow.
very narrow and it's just nice to drive around.
But now at least you have a space, the car can come. But later, once in the evening, the car will never enter inside.
Oh.
Huge population.
It's more in the evening.
Yeah, more
Okay.
population.
So now it's
Now
it's calm.
Yeah, calm.
Okay.
You find the space. आगे ले.
Namaskar. The area we are in now, Worli, is planned to be demolished in a few years. They want to build new buildings here and remove everything that we see here. I don't know, maybe the inhabitants are not happy about it. What do you say, Benji?
There are few people over here which are not happy about it because they are fishermen stays over here. Mostly they're not happy about it. But the rest of them, like, they want literally to build up a area because it's going to be a tourist place for everyone.
Okay, yeah, the fishermen, of course, that live here, they are very unhappy about the change. Of course, they live here and they don't want their house to be demolished.
They have their business of fishing.
Yeah.
It might go in future.
Yeah, they have their business here and that's why. Of course, everybody can understand that they are unhappy. And this bridge here is called the ceiling.
Worli ceiling.
Oh yeah.
It's connected to Bandra to Worli.
This connects two neighborhoods, Bandra neighborhood to Worli, where we are now, and makes the traffic more smooth with this bridge. Today we have finally sun. It has been cloudy the whole time we have been here, so it's very warm for me.
But it's good or it's not good?
It feels good when we're driving, yeah.
I'll park my bike over here so you can just have a walk, come with me, have some rounds.
Yeah, so we park here, and then we walk around a little bit.
I can take you downstairs, I can take you below the bridge also, but she can't come below the bridge.
Okay. And can I fly my drone here?
Yeah, you can
okay.
fly the drone there.
We are now at the end of Worli, and here is where the fishermen come. After been fishing outside, you can see all of the fisher boat here. in the bay. We need to be careful, it's very slippery around here. And here you can see all of the fishing equipment, all of the nets that they use. And what a view we have over the city.
That's Bandra over there.
Bandra over here.
Then you get full Andevi and all the straight. It goes straight. This is called Mahim.
Mahim. Okay.
And this is called, yesterday we were at Shivaji Park where we had a dinner and go up.
Ah, we had dinner over there yesterday.
And
Okay.
that's called Dadar.
Padar.
Dadar.
Dadar.
Dadar. And this comes to Worli side on.
And Worli is here. Okay. Wow, beautiful skyline here. The weather here changes very fast. It was just sunny like 5 minutes ago, and then it's getting windy now, and I think we'll have rain in a few minutes. And then the rain goes very fast over. It takes maybe 10 minutes to half an hour, and then it will be maybe sunny again. But it's nice to have a little bit of wind because I was getting so hot. Hi, namaskar. आप कैसे हैं?
ठीक है।
ठीक है.
बाय बाय।
Bye bye. Bye bye. Now we have a heavy rainstorm and we're waiting for it to pass, and then we go out again. We are now in Worli Fort, and this is a fort built in the 17th century, I think, by the British. And we have an amazing view over the city. Look at this. Wow, amazing place. And the rain is just passing over. We might see some sun again. Look at this. Only took about 20 minutes to pass the rain. But for me it was so nice. I was sweating so much in the sun. Starting to rain again, I think. So we're gonna continue on the motorcycle. You can feel the wind increasing, yeah?
Yeah.
Going with the motorcycle on very narrow street.
Yeah, in Mumbai, you have mostly you should be having this kind of motorcycles where you can keep a bag in front of the bike and you can have a ride.
Ah, okay. Yeah, it's starting to rain heavily again, so we're gonna wait a little bit. Whoa! We're gonna wait for the rain to pass. We got us an umbrella. It's so wet. We're walking around the area now.
This is where I stay. So the style is.
Ah,
I should stay over here. You can step in. Give me umbrella.
okay. I just put my shoes out here. Yeah?
So, it's okay. You can put the shoes inside. It's okay.
Hi.
Hi.
Nice to see you again.
Thank you.
Oh wow, it's so wet outside.
It's okay.
This is the restroom where Benji is staying now before he goes to Goa. He lives in Goa and is now staying with his sister here. This is your sister's place, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yesterday which was there with us.
Yeah.
You can have a seat, you know.
We have less rain again, so we're gonna continue our journey around the streets of Mumbai. Benji's sister was so nice to give us shelter. Hello! And now we can continue on the motorcycles. Now we're gonna visit Kit's place and see his apartment. Ah, namaskar. You're preparing the fish nets? When you go out and fish? Tonight you go out?
Night.
Nighttime, ah.
Morning, night.
Morning. See you guys. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. This is your place.
This is my dad.
Nice. Hello.
My mother is a very
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to
My name is Herman. My name is Herman.
YouTuber.
Yeah.
You can see my house. You can go in.
Thank you. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई.
Let's speak English.
English.
Yeah, you can see outside also.
Oh wow. This way?
This no, that's here. Yeah, that is my toilet.
That is the toilet. You have a good view. Yeah. Wow. Nice. And this is
Small room like
bedroom, yeah?
bedroom. Yeah.
Small bed.
Kids' parents just invited us for chai.
Please help.
Thank you. I'm gonna try the chai. Delicious. Wow, it's very good. I love it, yeah. Really, really good.
Ginger is there. Ginger.
You put ginger inside. Wow. Very good. And one cookie. Thank you very much. I love it. Very, very good chai. This is the view. Wow. Great view over the city.
This is always usually full of water. You must have it. Now it's completely. Before we used to sit over here to drink.
You drink here?
We used to drink.
Perfect place to have a beer, yeah?
We used to have
Thank you for...
You come. We'll help you. Any need? If you need any help.
Thank you. And thank you for the chai and inviting us to your house.
You are always welcome.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Yeah, bye.
All right.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Take it.
Yeah, vlogging, yeah.
So we lock the door.
Some local food, yeah?
Yeah, local food. You can have one.
You see our Worli Fort?
What is this?
This is our Indian
Potato
burger.
smash. In potato smash potatoes.
Potato smash, yeah. Deep fried.
This
is
is
chili,
chili.
yeah?
Good non-spicy.
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 Very good. Non-spicy chili. For me, it's a little bit spicy.
Do you want more?
It's good, thank you.
स्पाइसी लोकल तुला माझी
हा अजिबात नाही तिखट. अजिबात नाही.
अरे जाते हॉटेलमध्ये झोपेल माझी वाट लावेल उद्या परत फ्लाईट आहे बाळाची
Dhanyavad. So we have
मुंबई वडापाव
Mumbai vada pav, which is
वडापाव
vada pav. Mumbai vada pav, which is deep fried potato mash in bread. Real local food. Really good.
I think you spicy ones.
I love it.
Actually, it has to be.
Chika, you like it too? Some real local food. And then we go for dinner. So this was kind of a starter. He said this is not spicy, but still for me, I can feel a little bit. In Iceland, this would be considered spicy. We just took a motorcycle ride from Worli to Kolaba, and that was quite the experience, I can tell you. But now it's time for dinner, so let's go get some food. So I think this is it for vlogging today. We are just having dinner, and I hope you really enjoyed watching, and remember to subscribe. And see you in the follow, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.
Yeah. Bye.